Beginner Yoga Challenge for 7 days certainly. Here is a drawn-out adaptation of the 7-day Beginner Yoga Challenge, with extra subtleties and varieties to additionally advance your experience. Day 1. Introduction to Yoga Basics. Focusing on establishing basic postures and breathing strategies. Duration, 20 to 30 minutes. Sequence. Centering. Start by sitting comfortably and concentrating on your breath. Warm-up. Delicate neck extends, shoulder rolls, and wrist turns. Poses, mountain posture, remaining forward overlay, Cobra posture, and kids posture. Breathing, deep diaphragmatic breathing or Ujjayi breath, also known as ocean breath, should be practiced. Relaxation. For relaxation, finish in Savasana, corpse pose. Day 2. Stretch and relax. Focusing on reducing tension and enhancing flexibility. Duration, 25-35 minutes. Sequence, warm-up, dynamic stretches like the cat-cow and gentle joint rotations. Poses, for twists, try downward dog, seated forward bend, butterfly pose, and thread the needle. Cool down. Gradually change into a more drawn-out Savasana. Day 3, strength and balance. Session, focusing on enhancing balance and strengthening. Duration, 40 to 60 minutes. Sequence, warm-up, sun greetings, Surya Namaskar, to heat up the body. Poses, Fighter 1, Champion 2, Tree posture and boat posture for center strength. Cool down. Relaxing seated stretches and a Savasana pose. Day 4, core. Strengthening, focusing on stomach muscles for center strength. Duration, 25-35 minutes. Sequence, warm-up, feline cow extends and delicate turns. Poses, board posture, dolphin board posture, boat posture, and leg raises. Cool down, youngster's posture and a concise, situated reflection. Day 5, unwinding and reflection, focusing on mindfulness training and stress reduction. Duration, 30 to 60 minutes. Sequence, breathing. Begin by breathing through each nostril alternately. Poses, delicate stretches like feline cow, forward crease, and prostrate curve. Meditation, directed or quiet contemplation for unwinding and internal concentration. Closure, do a longer Savasana at the end. Day 6, stimulating stream, focusing on enhancing one's vitality and energy levels. Duration, 40 to 60 minutes. Sequence, warm-up, sun salutations and dynamic movements, Surya Namaskar. Poses, champion groupings, Fighter 1, 2, 3, Cobra posture, and remaining forward twist. Cool down, Savasana, or gentle seated stretches, and meditation. Day 7, full body stream and reflection, focusing on incorporating all educated postures into a durable stream. Duration, 40-50 minutes. Sequence, flow. Make a fluid sequence out of poses from previous days that works for your pace. Variations. Include any favorite variations or poses you've discovered throughout the week. Reflection. Write about your yoga journey thus far in a journal or sit meditation for a few moments. Closure. End with a delayed Savasana for profound unwinding and reconciliation. Advice for the test. Change as necessary. Pay attention to your body and change presence as indicated by your solace level. Consistency. To establish a routine, try to practice at the same time each day. Hydration. Hydrate when you're training meetings. Rest and recuperation. Give yourself time to rest and think, especially after longer sessions. This point-by-point plan not just acquaints you with different parts of yoga, yet additionally energizes care, unwinding, and actual prosperity over time. Have fun with your yoga journey.